If you are a content creator or you are a video content creator, you are a YouTuber or you just put up content on Instagram, generally, if you are a creative, then you want to make sure that the video that you use in your content is copyright free. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get copyright free music. So if you're interested in that, you might want to keep on watching this video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Eva Anthony and you are welcome. It's so good to have you here. So in this video, like the title says, I want to talk about copyright free music. One thing that you do not want to do after creating or making your videos and you want to put songs to them, to your videos or to your content, one thing you don't want to do is to use popular songs that are copyrighted. You don't want to add Burna Boy song to your video. Even if that song is for 1 second, they are going to flag, YouTube is going to flag that content and you're going to be getting a copyright claim. What copyright claim simply means is that you do not have permission to use that particular song, and if you go ahead to use that song without permission, you are going to get a claim or a strike. Basically, you will not be able to monetize that video. That is, if you have been monetized. Always make sure that you are complying to YouTube's policies, you are complying to YouTube guidelines, because if in some way you get 3 strikes on YouTube, your channel is going to be deleted. Like, all your work will be gone. Like, that is end of business. Bye bye to YouTube. You have to go and start another channel. There is no getting that channel back. So I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of ways that you can look for or that you can source for music on YouTube and off YouTube. So the first place that I will be talking about is the YouTube audio library. I'm like, this is one place that everybody knows about. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your songs from YouTube audio library. So to access this, you have to go to your YouTube studio and then scroll down and you're going to see audio library. So you click on it, and then once you click on audio library, you're going to be seeing all these songs that you can use. Now you can use, as you can see, it's written free music. So there's all these songs here are free. You're not going to get any copyright when you're using it. You can also get sound effects. You can also search for your songs by genre. You can search for your songs by mood. Now, if you are someone that likes to use upbeat sounds, because I think I like to use upbeat sounds. If you like to use hip hop, you come and search for hip hop filter. Now, if you know the type of song, or if you know the name of song that you want to search for, you just come here and you select track title, and then you're going to get the name. Or if you know the artist name or you know the duration of the song, you come and it's going to bring out all of the songs available on the the audio library. It's going to bring it out, and then you can select any of those songs that you might want. So let's say you want to download this Dead Forest. So the first thing you do is to play it, and then you listen to the song. Now you see this mood. This song is mostly if you're into all this mystery kind of content. This is a perfect song for you. So let me just pause it. Now, if you want to download, you see this download button at this area here. All you have to do is click on download and it will start downloading. If you want to start it, you can come here and then click on start. And if we go to the start tab, we're going to see it there, right? So this is the start tab. As you can see, I've started some songs already. YouTube audio library is a good one because you are very sure that you're going to be getting copyright free music. Also, if you are a beginner, it is a good place to start from, because every other place you're going to be going to, you have to make payment, you have to pay for the song. So I mean, there you just have to take out your time and then search for the songs that you like, download them and save them, and then start using it on your videos. The second place I'm going to be mentioning that you can get copyright free music is on YouTube. Now there are some channels that are dedicated to giving you non-copyright songs. I'm just going to also show you on YouTube what I'm talking about. So you have to go on YouTube and then search for probably non-copyright songs. So let's search for non-copyright songs. or you search for free non-copyright free music or something like that. So as you can see, we have one. This one says no copyright sounds. Now, one thing about using songs from this kind of channels is that you have a requirement that you must follow. When you use any song from these channels, you must give credit to the video. You must give credit to the artist by putting the link to the video, the name of the artist, and I think something else in your description box. Without that, you're going to get a claim. Anyway, let me just show you one of the things that I'm talking about. Now, for this particular song, it's still loading. If you go down to the description, what you're going to see is something like this. Listen to what they said. When you are using this track, we simply ask that you put this in your description. It's very simple. Once you're using this particular song, just make sure that you come and then you copy all of this, copy it, and then you go to your description box and then you paste it there. That is the only rule to avoid you getting a copyright claim. As much as these songs are very interesting, there is a little control you have over them because really they are not yours. So why not give credit? They are not asking you for money. Why not just give credit to the owner of the song or to the page where you got the song from? Now, another thing you need to consider when you decide to use this kind of songs from this kind of channels is that you need to have it in mind that one day the owner of the song might wake up and say they want to start getting money from the song. So when that happens, you know that that song is no longer free, and immediately that person decides to say okay, they want to start getting money from their songs, that song or that particular video in which you use that song will eventually get a claim. So it's a 50-50. You basically using songs from these channels is at your own risk. That's all I'm saying. The third place where I source for my songs from is called Hello Thematic, and I started using this platform like recently, and I must say that they have amazing songs on there. Now, the thing about Hello Thematic is that there is the free plan and then there is the paid plan, or rather the premium plan. So if you're on the free plan, you're going to get a lot of songs really. But then if you decide to go on the premium plan, you know what comes with premium. You know how that goes, right? So you're going to get a whole lot more songs when it comes to the premium plan. How this platform works is that when you sign up, you have to link your channel to the platform. So once you come on the platform, you need to go and link your channel to this platform. Now, okay, you can switch channel, meaning that you can add more than one channel. Right? After doing that, if you see a song that you like this one, if after listening to it you like it, all you have to do is to just come over here and download it, and it saves on your download section of your laptop. Once you finish downloading, you're going to see something like this. This is more or less the license. So it's something like what I mentioned in the second place where you can find songs on YouTube, like those channels, is something like this. So this is basically the license for you to be able to get these songs and then don't get copyright claim. So as you can see, it's written here. Don't forget to credit using the links below. So for YouTube videos, please you copy this and then you add it in your description box. If you want to use the song for Instagram, you come here and then you copy this and then you use it for Instagram. It's as simple as that. If you go to some of my recent videos, you're going to notice that I actually copied and pasted the link to the particular song that I used on in my description box. Also, if you watch a channel and you like the songs on those channels, let's say for example you watch my channel and you like some of the songs that I use in my videos or probably in my vlogs, all you have to do is search for my name, and when you search for my name, you're going to see all the videos that I put that a song from Thematic was used. So all you have to do is just go down, select the song, and then you can download it. As a beginner, you can also get songs from this platform. It's amazing. I've saved a lot of songs from this platform. I've used a lot of songs from this platform. Like, it's beautiful, right? So I would totally recommend this platform Hello Thematic to anybody, be you a beginner or someone that is looking for another place to source for songs. Hello Thematic is awesome. So moving on to the fourth place where you can source for songs. Personally, I do not use this platform, but I know a lot of content creators that live on this platform. Like they are always talking about Epidemic Sound. So this is what Epidemic Sound looks like. If you want to use Epidemic Sound and you are a personal user, you can come here and click on personal. Or if you are a commercial person or you have a very huge business, you can come and select commercial. So I think I want to believe that you are a personal, it's just you. I want to believe that it's just you. So we're going to select personal, and on personal, you're going to be seeing, according to what they said, music for content creators, personal plan, cleared for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, and podcasts. So you have a 30 days free trial, which after which you get to start paying £10, or is it €10 per month. I don't know what that converts to, but I'm going to check it and then I'm going to put out the equivalent in Naira on the screen. They have different pricing. Now for personal, you get €10. Now you get unlimited downloads. Like you can download songs till your battery die. Just keep downloading songs. Also, you can use those songs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, and podcast. For the commercial, you get everything in personal plus covered for social media, online platforms, and websites. Now, I don't think you can use the songs from Epidemic Sound in your ads. Beware of that whenever you decide to start using songs from Epidemic Sound, right? So on commercial, you can also publish content for your clients and business. You can also use unlimited, you can use the songs in digital ads unlimitedly, right? Let's say want to search for music and want to search for hip hop songs. So let me just type this here, hip hop, and we're going to be getting different, as you can see, we'll have different playlists and we'll have different tracks. So let's say you use Epidemic Sound, you just come here, download it. If you want to add it to playlist, you click on the plus sign. Now what this is you can find similar songs. So all you have to do is just select this infinity. I want to believe that that is an infinity sign. So you select this find similar, you select it, and then you're going to be getting similar tracks. So this is what you're going to be getting. Now if you want more, just view more and you're going to see that. If you want to share it, this is the icon you go to, and then if you want to add to cart because you want to buy it, you want to buy the song or you want to pay license the song, you can come here and add to cart, and that is that. Before you know, once you start downloading, you are going to see in the downloads version or the downloads department or the downloads area of your laptop, right? I would want to give credit to Kelechi Mbemena. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, my name is Eva Anthony and you are welcome to my channel. Please do not make it your last and do not become a stranger by subscribing to this channel. It's that red button down below. You click the bell button so you know whenever I put up the content, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'm sure it helped you. Also, let me know in the comments which of these platforms you prefer. Let me know which one you use currently, and let me know which one you're going to be using after you watch this video, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Middle of the night, always hit my line. He don't even try. Tell him hit me up when he wanna find dine. Take me out to dinner, get the nice bottle of wine. After we can hit the strip on up his credit line. Get the new fanny, I've been eyeing.